Hey Gorgies, welcome back to my channel. Now it's going to be a special video because today we are going to get into drag. So over the last few months I've got tons and tons of PR from Kat Von D. Today we're going to do a whole look with all Kat Von D products. She has had my back because honey, when I need a liner, I have a liner, and when I need eyeshadow, I have eyeshadow. So today it's all about Miss Kat. Girl, let's get into it. So before we start, let's get into priming. Now I love priming and I have used tons and tons of primers from Tatcha to Kiehl's to MAC to Make It Forever. Kat Von D has an amazing primer. Now Lock-It, it literally is a hydrating primer and it's a base. So I'm just gonna literally just do like little droops like this. And I'm just gonna kind of just melt it into the skin. Now, I do have like moisturizer on, which helps me not to feel dry. I like to kind of put a little bit on my beard area. I have this like thing where like I feel like when your hair goes, it pushes like the foundation out of the skin, so I really want it to lock right there. Okay, so I know a lot of my drag babies out there, you guys have watched a lot of tutorials and you guys watched a lot of drag tips and tricks. And then a lot of drag queens like to cancel out their beard and cancel out any dark spots under the eyes with a orange. I like to use the Krylon pan stick because it does come in the perfect orange for me to cancel everything out. I usually put it on like my acne too, just so it's just kind of like, I don't want no one to know I have acne. And I kind of just take my fingers and just kind of spread it out so it's not so thick on some areas. It actually does help. I'm done. I'm just kidding. So now, as I let that sit, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Kat Von D. This is the Super Brow in color Walnut. So I take a little bit of this brow and I'm gonna start with eyebrows first. Don't worry about the brow being so like not as perfect because we're gonna go back and we're gonna set it too. So same thing here. I know this side looks a little crazy, but it's okay because I'm gonna go under and I'm gonna clean it. Once you get your pomade eyebrow on, you kind of start to know like, okay, now I know exactly what my face is gonna look like. So I take one of my flat brushes to clean up under my brow, because go this right brow, what the fuck is that? So we're gonna make sure it matches. So they kind of look somewhat similar. They're there. I just kind of like to sketch them out versus just really perfecting them because I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna set it. This is the Lock-It Concealer Cream and it's literally called White Out and it's all white. And I like to put this under my brow and blend it out because this actually make it like super white. Now I take my one of my beauty blenders I use for highlight and I'm just gonna bring down the highlight color and blend it out, but not too crazy because I just don't like really like harsh lines, so I like to blend it out just like that. Alright, so we are all blended underneath the brow. What do you guys think? Girl, like at the end of the day, it's just drag makeup. You can always mess up. I've messed up for many years. So now let's go ahead and go into foundation. Kat Von D has amazing foundation. Now this is Lock-It and this is 24-hour full coverage, transfer resistant, and a matte finish. So I'm just gonna pump it on my spatula right here and let's just see. And a lot of people I see, a lot of drag queens, they like to kind of do the white first. There's like absolutely no wrong way to do this. I like to get the skin on first, so I kind of leave it just like that and I'm just gonna kind of pack it into the skin. Girl, I love to pack foundation into my crevices. Just like I said, take your beauty blender, just kind of pack it around. And I kind of go like this. It's like my blowfish face. And it's just so it pushes the skin out so you can really get into the cracks. I mean, that sounds so bad, but it works. Try it, you guys, blowfish face. I like to bring it into my head a little bit, and that's probably the main reason why I'm bald. I bring my makeup so high. I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight with one of my Krylon pan sticks because I love Krylon and I love this texture. So I have this color in 406, and I'm gonna quickly just kind of go like that. Just a tiny bit, and literally just kind of like blend it out. Now highlighting is on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a darker color in the Kat Von D foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and just contour it out. I like to contour a lot, and I think that's why a lot of people think I had like plastic surgery done, because I contour really hard, and I love contouring. Like, it's like one of my favorite things to do on my face, because it just kind of brings the face out. I call it bringing the skeleton out. Now, I know a lot of people like to contour the same as other people, but a lot of people actually don't know that, girl, that face is not the same as your face. So it's really important to find your way of contouring and what you like. Everyone's contouring is different, so just keep that in mind. And making sure you use like the right contour color for your skin tone, because that is very important. What I was taught was a great way to kind of find your best contour areas is to take an actual phone and hold it to your head and look straight, and then take a picture. And anywhere that has a shadow, or anywhere that kind of, you know, has like a deep pocket, is like your actual contouring area. Alright, you guys, so everything is contoured, and before I set my powder, I'm just gonna quickly pinch my nose a little bit. So I kind of just use whatever products is on there, and I take it, and I can just go like this. That's a good way to kind of pinch your nose. Okay, perfect. So now let's go ahead and set. Kat Von D has an amazing translucent powder, and it comes in a little cute jar like this. I'm gonna take it, and let's go ahead and just set this. So let's just go ahead and just wipe all that away. So see how my eyebrows just got a little lighter? Now that's kind of where like I go in and draw the baby hairs. Now the face is on, all liquid products are done. You don't need to touch your foundation anymore. You don't need to touch your highlight foundation anymore. You need to touch anything anymore. So now it's all about the dry products. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It powders. Girl, they make the skin flawless. So I have them here literally in like 5 different shades. This color is in the tan 175. Now let's go ahead and bronze it out. So you guys see how it's like starting to kind of contour? This is 2 different colors, and now I have 2 more colors that I'm just gonna kind of add on.
Oh my God.
Like I said, it's all about building color now. So I'm gonna go back with my other colors and just really bronze it out and give me that full look. I'm gonna get my Kat Von D mirror, and I'm just gonna pinch my nose real fast. Alright, so let's go back to building color. Let's get my darker color. And this is where it's gonna be like, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Who are you? Contour is on, everything is good, everything is even. Let me just get this part right here. My wig usually stops like here and goes like that way, so you never really see any of this. So this is where I go in and set my makeup, because all my powders are on, so I really wanted to kind of just sit and cook and mount and just kind of like become my skin, and then I go into my brows. So this is the Lock-It Makeup Setting Spray Mist. I'm gonna take an eyebrow pencil. This is where I kind of draw in the hairs. I love my brows. Okay. I like to highlight underneath my brow now, because right now we are gonna jump into the eyeshadow. Kat Von D just released cake pencils, so I literally just got this. Oh my god, thank you so much. This is in color Whiteout. It's time for color. So Kat Von D sent me the Lolita palette, thank you. Untouched. These colors are definitely my tea. But this is like rose, purplish pink eyeshadow palette. And I love that it has a dark because I wear a lot of dark. And I love that it has a light, but there is no white in here. So I'm gonna steal a white from somewhere else. So let's go ahead and just dive into these colors. So this fallout, look at this. Honey. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and let's go ahead and cut the crease in. And this color is called Eterno, which is like a dark plum purple. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna buff out underneath. But girl, this fallout is kind of a little insane to me. I'm gonna go ahead and just draw like quick liner on top, and that's gonna tell me where my lashes are gonna sit. And I always like to kind of curve my lash up. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. You guys like that? It needs some shimmer. And in here, as you guys can see, I use Kat Von D, honey, but this is the Lolita palette, but they're all matte. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one of my favorite palettes too as well. I love Huda Beauty, because I think it needs like a glow. So let's go into highlight. I'm gonna pull up my Soft and Gentle again, and I'm just gonna quickly highlight my cheeks. I'm gonna quickly just warm up my cheeks a little bit, not too much. Now, girl, if you wanna warm your cheek with like some crazy blush, go right ahead. But let's just kind of keep it subtle. Okay, now let's go ahead and add some lashes. All right, guys, so it's the top lash is on, so now let's go ahead and get the individual lashes on the bottom on. I love individual lashes. It just makes the eyes so flirty and fluttery and just cute and gorgeous and just, And then I'm gonna do some rhinestones, and I might even bring some purple color on the side right here. Oh, I love lashes. Let's go ahead and take some rhinestones, and I just kind of poke it. Remember what I said? I'm feeling a little inspired, so let's go ahead and take some purple, and I kind of want to wrap a little bit like right here. I think that'd be really, really pretty. Okay, so everything is on. Kat Von D has an amazing liquid liner called the Dagger Tattoo Liner. It's literally shaped like this. It's shaped as a pen, and I like to go in with my lash and just really sharpen it. What do you guys think? Now let's go ahead and do the lips. So lips color, I'm gonna use Kat Von D in liner. This one is called Lolita with Lolita. So the Lolita combo. I do love Kat Von D's lip liners because they're so creamy, they go on so pigmented, and they don't really drag. So this one just kind of goes on like butter. And ta-da! Alright you guys, so Lolita Eye and Lolita Lip is on, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. This is like my typical drag performance stage look, but this is a little like intense. I feel like I need to put on a wig. Blonde, black hair, what do you guys think? We'll find out right now. To all my beginner drag queens and all people that are inspired by drag makeup, I hope you took this video and learned a little bit from it. It's all about learning and it's all about developing your character within you. It's all about you finding your own rhythm when it comes to makeup. Drag is hard, you guys, and it's pure dedication and it's pure love and it's only within yourself. So I really recommend anyone that is becoming drag and doing drag, girl, do it, girl. But if you're gonna do it, Miss Kimora Blac said, do it hard and do it right. Alright you guys, so the wig is on and I'm feeling cut. I think we made a good decision. The purple eyeshadow will go great with my outfit tonight. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I cannot say how much fun I had with you guys and I hope you guys got something from this. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it again because I have a lot of great stuff coming out when it comes to beauty and vlogging and just having a good time with makeup because I love makeup. Girl, can you imagine what we would do without makeup? I'm just kidding. Hit that subscribe button. I love you. I'm Kimora Blac.